In this video, we will see how to set the time, the date, the day of the week, the month, and the year on your Olevs watch. First of all, for the time, you have to pull the crown and turn it counterclockwise, just like that. When you're done, you push on the crown and this is done. Now, if you want to change the date, this happens on this button right here. So you press on it just like that until you reach the date we are today. The one on here is the month. So every time you hit it, well, it does change the month. The date does change automatically when you do a full 24-hour cycle, but not the month when you've done a full circle of that calendar. You have to press at the beginning of every month to change the month. Then, if you want to change the day of the week, this happens with the button right there. You will need a very small tool for doing it, and you just need to press it. And as you can see, it does change the day of the week. And then for the year, you have another button just like that on top over here. And when you press it, it does change here. There isn't really a lot of years in the watch. You will done a circle quite quickly in few years. And well, that's pretty much it. But there is one very important thing to understand. Never ever press those buttons when you are between 21 o'clock and 3 o'clock. The reason why is that because when you do change the time, is it actually AM or PM, we will see, there is a mechanic that is engaged at that time that make the date change. As you can see, the date have just changed, and in a few seconds you will see the day of the week change. See, now it's 1 o'clock and it will change again right now at 3 o'clock, and then once this is passed, we are good to go. So if you do that quick change while it is between 21 o'clock and 3 o'clock, you might damage the mechanic that do that automatic switch. So just don't do that. Otherwise, that's it. I hope this video was helpful.